Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday, January 22nd, the day before the deep freeze coming up the next couple of days. Boy, they're saying all sorts of things, but I was kind of flabbergasted that this storm is like 2,000 miles long. It goes right around the middle of the United States. So I'm in Chicago, as many of you know, and we're going to get some really frigid temps. I don't see a lot of snow happening. That's more south, and then the ice probably down Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, Georgia, that kind of thing. So please, this is going to be a day where everybody is going to run and get eggs and milk from the grocery store. I've just been deciding what I'm going to make, something warm and a little bit light. I'm thinking about doing a chili, but no meat in it. So think about doing it because I get really full. So anyway, that's kind of on the docket, but please check on people, check on your neighbors, your loved ones, make sure you're okay. Stay inside. I go out and walk every day and exercise and go to the gym. About 3 times a week, go in the gym and walk every day. So I'm a little nutty. I get in that routine, and a lot of you that work out know I will walk up and down my hallway, my building, or out in the parking garage or something to get all my steps in. And I'll do it in increments. I've done it before. So the next 2 days, that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, little bummed today. The Oscar nominations came out and Wicked for Good got snubbed. Like picture, actress, supporting actress, actor, even the 2 songs that were nominated in the Globes, they weren't even mentioned. I'm kind of irritated about that and shocked. I'm grateful and congrats to the movie Sinners for acquiring 16 nods of nomination. It's the most I think ever, along with some other great movies that were on there. So I do want to see Sinners, and Hamnet I have not seen yet. So there's a couple others, but yeah, I was completely surprised. So we'll see what happens when the Academy Awards happen very soon. But yeah, Wicked for Good. Not even for like artistic or anything kind of nods of anything. And I thought it was brilliant. So makes me wonder. Just saying. But yeah, anyway, so that's what's on the docket for the next couple of days. I'm just going to take care of myself. Probably not venture out at all. And I've been going through a few things and making some small goals for myself. By the way, I had a really nice lecture, 2 of them this past week out in the burbs, down at Harper College and out and about. So grateful for that. Just like to get more of those and working on that as well. But the other thing I want to get to, because my brain's just firing off, little small projects that I've put off, you can probably do, and I can do tomorrow and Saturday. I have a couple of drawers. We called those the junk drawers back in the day. I cleaned one of those out today, and all these little nails and bits and turnkeys and different things. I have been pitching it and putting things in different places, so it felt really cathartic to do that, and great. So maybe you got something like that needs to be cleaned out that you've been putting off. Good little projects to have the next couple of days. So anyway, keep warm, don't be frozen, let it go. Subscribe, like, and share. Be safe this weekend. Check on one another, and I will see you on Monday. I'm very excited right now because I'm 2 weeks away from today. I'm going down to Fort Lauderdale, Wilton Manors, Florida, for a long weekend with my best friend, and it's the weekend before my birthday. That's what we're celebrating. Kind of a big one. So anyway, take care. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.